A distinctive home in central Illinois began its journey into darkness with a black roof. Once the roof was done, I knew everything was going to be black, top to bottom, inside and out, says the owner and listing agent, Seth Goodman. The all-black, two-bedroom residence in Lincoln, Illinois looks like a goth teenager's dream home. If you're not into dark colors, be prepared to buy plenty of paint. On the market for $250,000, the 1,547-square-foot home has undergone a major update from Goodman. The unique home, which is built in the shape of an octagon, now features interior walls, ceilings, and window treatments that are all as dark as night. Not everything is black, however. In a welcome contrast, trim, tile, and countertops are white. In the kitchen, cabinets are a dark gray, while bathroom vanities are white. A spiral staircase leads to the upstairs loft, which holds the primary bedroom and a bathroom. There are windows on every wall and skylights above, which flood the space with natural light. Goodman says that people have contacted him from every state imaginable, saying they find the noir decor fascinating.